Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm just popping in very quickly to film an intro for today's video because today we are going to be reorganizing and decluttering my makeup collection. I think you guys really like this type of video because the last one I filmed at the end of last year, it performed quite well, so I thought I would film it today and hopefully you guys will like to see that. My room is a mess once again. There is makeup on the floor. I don't know how we got here. Well, I kind of do because I have mentioned that I am redoing my beauty room and it is taking a very long time for me to get this room done. I have been talking about it. I've been hyping it. I haven't been hyping it, but I've been showing you little sneak peeks. You can tell my background has changed. I've upgraded a couple things. So yeah, it's taking me a lot longer than I thought it would, and it's coming soon. I would say I'm like 70% done, and I did aim for my beauty room reveal to come out maybe mid-June. It is still possible, but mid-June is like a month away, so maybe mid-July. But today I'm at the stage where I need to declutter my makeup collection and reorganize because again, there's stuff on the floor, and I just kind of want to minimize everything. So you might see a bit of sneak peeks into my beauty room today, so you can think of this as a little spin-off to the beauty room reveal. Also, I do want to mention this makeup look. I did film it. I will leave it in the cards and also down below. I used the ColourPop 5 pans. It'll be one of the looks in the review video that I do. It probably will be up before this video, but I'm using this palette if you were curious. But yeah, with that being said, I'm just gonna go ahead and play some music. I just want to focus and get this done, and maybe I will insert some voiceovers and talk about what I'm doing and stuff like that. It'll be a very chill video, so if you want to play this while you are decluttering or organizing, that would be very wholesome if we could do it together. But yeah, with that being said, let's just go ahead and get into this mess. Okay guys, so this is what we are working with right now. This is like my makeup storage section. This is my main storage where I have a lot of my ColourPop stuff. This is like the sturdier, higher quality drawer. And then last year I got these containers from Kmart where I keep all of my other makeup, and it used to be over here, but I recently got my curtains installed, so now I can't put it there. So I also got to find a new home for that. I got to find a home for all of this junk. Some of it's decor that I don't know where to put currently, and some of it's makeup that just, you know, I couldn't be stuff putting back. So we're gonna kind of focus on this area. Maybe I will declutter a little bit on my table as well. My top drawers are okay. Maybe I'll declutter a little bit of products I haven't really been using, but I'm okay with my top drawers. They seem fine for now. Hi Jasmine. So yes, this is the task today. This is the before. Alright, I'm just gonna pop in for a little voiceover. If you guys want to mute me, you can, and just play some music of your own. But I'm gonna go ahead and start on my vanity top table. I don't really need to do too much just because the setup is quite new, so everything's a little bit organized, but I'm just gonna go ahead and tidy things up and just reorganize things a little bit. So I'm starting off with my brushes. And now I'm just going to move into my skincare products. I'm just going to be reorganizing things and making things look a little bit more tidy. I did order a little skincare storage thing on AliExpress that's still on its way. I ordered it like 2 months ago, so hopefully it comes soon because I feel like displaying it like this looks very, very cluttered. So I think once I get that, it'll look a little bit better, but for now, this is just what I have to do. But now I'm just moving into my top drawer, just doing a little reorganizing. I only took a couple things out of my top drawer, just some things that I wasn't really using and it was just taking up some space, but nothing too drastic. This declutter is not going to be as drastic as my end of the year one, just because the setup is quite new, and I would say like a couple months ago I did like reorganize all of this, so everything is still in its place, but you know, sometimes it can get a little disorganized organized. So I'm just reorganizing everything into its own category. And you guys will definitely see me putting everything together in that future beauty room tour reveal. But this is just, I guess, a little sneak peek into what my top drawer is kind of looking like. And now I'm going to move into these little drawers. All of these drawers that you see here are from Kmart. And I'm just going through all of my palettes. I'm just looking at them and checking if I want to keep them or if I want to declutter them. And for a lot of palettes, I did keep just because a lot does have like sentimental value in a way. It sounds a little odd, but I just can't like declutter a lot. But I did end up decluttering a couple products, which I will show you guys at the end of the video. But you can see Tubby, he's here at the back, he's always with me. He is such a sweetheart, I love him so much. You guys will see him a lot in this video. But yeah, I'm just going through my palettes, decluttering everything one by one. And here's Tubby here. He's so cute. He's, like I said, he's gonna be in this video a lot. And then I brought out my label maker. I decided to print out some labels for the drawers so that way when I do pull the drawers out, I can see what products are inside because I can forget. But here's just, you know, a Tubby appreciation moment. He's just trying to find his sweet spot on my lap while I print out these labels. But printing out these labels actually was kind of unnecessary because after I finished cleaning up this room, I did actually go ahead. Oh, Tubby, he's so cute. Tubby loves the little rub between his brows. Like, look at him, he's so cute. Anyway, back to the labels. So I did print these labels out and I stuck them to the side. So like I said, once I pull them out, I know what's inside. But it was unnecessary because after I finished filming, I did place an order on the same drawers that you see in the background, the more sturdy one, not these plastic ones, because these plastic ones are not stable at all. And at the time when I got them, I really couldn't afford to, you know, invest into another drawer because that drawer is about like $300 and these are like $10 for a drawer. So altogether it was like $70. So I did go ahead and invest in another one. So it was kind of pointless doing the labels, but you know, whatever. I'm just gonna keep going ahead and organizing my makeup. This one is really satisfying. This one is my contact. I did get rid of some that I'm gonna give away to some of my friends. But yeah, this one's really satisfying. It was like Tetris. Ta-da! So now I'm going to be focusing on my main drawer, so the one that you see here. This one is full of my ColourPop stuff, and then you will see I put those plastic drawers back to where they were. I let Tubby go ahead and stretch himself out, and he's going to give me a kiss. Yes, because he is my sweet, sweet boy. But yeah, I did put those plastic drawers back to where they were. It's just temporary. I'm going to be moving this all around once my, you know, actual drawers, the one that I'm wiping right now, my second one comes. That will come in 6 weeks. So yeah, you'll see in my beauty room reveal, but yeah, I just left it there for now. But I'm just gonna go ahead and just reorganize my palette drawer. This is the drawer that I dive most into from my ColourPop collection. Everything else is still quite tidy from my last declutter. I was able to keep it still organized, but this is going to be a satisfying part, is color coordinating my palettes. It will slowly come together. It will slowly come together, I promise. And I'm just going to do that for my 12 pens. You guys will see that next, but this is pretty much going to conclude today's video. I'm just going to slowly wrap things up here and I'll leave you guys to it. I hope you guys enjoyed this short organization video. I know it's not too drastic, but to me it is very drastic and I feel like I can just breathe in this room. There is space on the floor once again, and I hope I'll keep it like this, and hopefully I'll be able to reveal my beauty room tour to you guys. But obviously now I have to wait 6 weeks until my drawer comes, so until then, yeah, I guess we are aiming for mid-July. I'm not trying to like hype you guys up or anything. It's not that crazy. Well, it is kind of drastic, the glow up, but Anyway, I'll leave you guys to it. This is pretty much the end of the video. So yeah, if you guys enjoy watching, please give the video a thumbs up. I would appreciate it so much. I'll leave you guys to it to finish off the video. I love you guys. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!